We'll guide you through how to make spotlight effect in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion on your device. Once the app is ready, press the Create New Project button to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by choosing the settings that you want to use. After you have finished adjusting the project settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located below the timeline to open the Add menu. Choose the footage that you want to use and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been added successfully, press the plus button again to add another layer. This time, select the triangle shape from the available shape options and add it to the timeline. Once the triangle has been added, adjust its size according to your needs so it resembles the shape of a spotlight beam. You can also reposition the triangle until it points toward the area that you want to highlight. After setting the triangle shape, open the color and fill settings for the selected layer. Inside the available fill options, choose gradient fill instead of a solid color. After enabling the gradient, select the first color stop and change its color to white. Next, select the second color stop and reduce its opacity to 0, making it fully transparent. Position the first color stop near the top of the gradient so the brightest part of the spotlight starts from the top of the screen. Move the second color stop toward the bottom of the gradient so the spotlight gradually fades out. Continue adjusting both gradient points until the spotlight effect looks smooth and natural. Once you are satisfied with the result, press the play button to preview the effect. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a spotlight effect in Alight motion.